How our universe will end. Explained. Introduction: The mysteries of the universe. The universe, with its vast expanse and countless wonders, has captivated human curiosity for centuries. As we gaze into the night sky, we ponder the origins of the cosmos and the forces that govern it. Yet, amidst our quest for knowledge, one question looms large: how will our universe end? In this video, we embark on a cosmic journey to explore the various theories and possibilities surrounding the ultimate fate of our universe. From the chilling prospect of the Big Freeze to the mind-bending concepts of vacuum decay and the multiverse theory, we delve into the frontiers of astrophysics, peering into the mysteries that lie beyond. Join us in this exploration, as we seek to unravel the enigma of how our universe will meet its final destiny. Unraveling the ultimate fate of our universe. We humans have always been fascinated by the mysteries of the universe. From the countless twinkling stars in the night sky to the vastness of space, the cosmos has continuously captivated our imaginations. One of the most profound questions that have boggled our minds is, how will our universe end? While we may not have a definitive answer just yet, scientists have proposed several theories that shed light on the possible fates of our cosmic home. Let's dive into the realm of cosmology and explore the potential destinies of our universe. The Big Freeze, a cold and desolate future. The expansion of the universe. Picture this: you're at a party and everyone's having a great time, dancing and mingling. Suddenly, the host decides to turn up the music. The beats start vibrating through the room, and before you know it, everyone is swirling and twirling, moving further and further apart. Well, imagine that party is the universe, and the host is the expansion of space itself. Scientists believe that the universe is constantly expanding, with galaxies flying away from each other. This expansion is driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy, which seems to be pushing everything apart. It's like being stuck in a never-ending game of cosmic musical chairs, but instead of removing chairs, space keeps adding more. The fate of stars and galaxies. As the universe expands, the fate of stars and galaxies hangs in the balance. Like lonely islands in an ever-expanding sea, galaxies will become more isolated from each other. The distance between them will grow, making it increasingly difficult for new stars to form. Eventually, existing stars will run out of fuel, leaving galaxies dark and desolate. We can think of galaxies as giant cities, bustling with stellar activity. But as the expansion continues, these cities will become empty and ghostly, devoid of any life. It's like a never-ending game of galactic hide-and-seek, where the seekers never find anyone hiding. The black hole era. As if things weren't bleak enough, there's more. Brace yourself for the black hole era. When all the fuel in stars is exhausted, they collapse under their own weight, forming black holes. These cosmic vacuum cleaners gobble up anything unlucky enough to cross their path. In the distant future, the universe will be brimming with black holes. It will be like an interstellar jungle, with these gravitational beasts lurking and waiting. As galaxies drift further apart, the chances of stellar encounters decrease, leaving black holes as the last remnants of a once vibrant universe. The Big Crunch, the universe collapses inwards. Gravity overcomes expansion. Imagine you're at the party again, except this time, the music suddenly stops, and everyone rushes towards a single point. It's chaos. Bodies pressing against bodies, a frenzy of limbs and falling appetizers. Well, this is what the future of the universe might look like if gravity manages to overcome the expansion. The Big Crunch theory suggests that the gravitational pull between galaxies could eventually become stronger than the force pushing them apart. Like a cosmic game of tug-of-war, gravity would bring everything back together, compressing the universe into a hot and dense state. The contraction of matter and energy. As the universe collapses, matter and energy would be compressed into unimaginable densities. The entire cosmos would become a pressure cooker, with temperatures soaring to extreme levels. It's like squeezing toothpaste back into the tube, except on a universal scale. This contraction would create a cataclysmic event, bringing an end to everything we know. It's the ultimate curtain call, where the universe takes a final bow before disappearing into oblivion. The possibility of a new Big Bang. But here's where things get really interesting. Some scientists speculate that the Big Crunch might not be the end. Instead, it could lead to a new beginning, another Big Bang. Just like the universe we know today emerged from a singularity, the collapse caused by the Big Crunch could set the stage for a fresh cosmic start. It's like hitting the reset button on a video game, except this time, the universe might come back in a completely different form. If this theory holds true, our universe could be part of an endless cycle, where creation and destruction constantly dance together. The Big Rip, a violent and expanding universe. The accelerating expansion. Hold on tight because things are about to get wild. In the Big Rip scenario, the expansion of the universe goes into hyperdrive. It's like a car that suddenly accelerates to warp speed, leaving everything in its wake. Scientists suggest that dark energy, that mysterious force we mentioned earlier, could become more powerful over time. This heightened dark energy would stretch space at an ever-increasing rate, tearing everything apart, galaxies, stars, and even atoms. The disintegration of galaxies and structures. In this cosmic catastrophe, galaxies would disintegrate, pulled apart by the relentless stretching of space. It's like watching a beautiful sandcastle being swept away by a tsunami. Except in this case, there's no rebuilding, only destruction. Structures that once ruled the cosmic landscape would crumble, reducing the universe to a vast emptiness. It's the grand finale of an explosive fireworks show, where each burst fades into darkness. The breakdown of fundamental forces. As the universe experiences the Big Rip, even the fundamental forces that hold matter together would break down. Electromagnetism, gravity, and the other forces that govern our reality would become powerless against the relentless expansion. In this chaotic and turbulent universe, everything we know would unravel. It's like watching a magician reveal their secrets, except this time, there's no magic left to be seen. The heat, entropy, and the end of energy. The second law of thermodynamics. In the grand scheme of things, the universe is a never-ending experiment in trying to maintain balance. But according to the second law of thermodynamics, its fate is sealed. Entropy, the measure of disorder, will always increase over time. Imagine cleaning your room, only to find it getting messier and messier no matter what you do. Well, that's what's happening to the universe. Energy is continuously lost and spread out, until it reaches a state of maximum disorder. The decay of stars and matter. As entropy takes its toll, stars will burn out, and matter will decay. The universe will become a vast cosmic desert, devoid of any energy. It's like a marathon runner gradually losing their stamina until they can no longer take another step. The lights will go out, one by one, leaving only darkness behind. It's a cosmic power outage that even the best electrician in the universe can't fix. The eternal expansion without possibility of life. And so, the universe will continue to expand, stretching into an infinite void. But with no energy left to sustain life, the stage will forever remain empty. The curtains will be drawn, the actors gone, and the universe left to carry on its eternal expansion in solitude. It's a melancholic symphony, played to an empty auditorium. The universe's final act is one of silence, leaving us with only memories of what once was. The multiverse theory, a continual cycle of universes. Understanding the multiverse. Imagine a cosmic tapestry, woven with countless universes, each with its own set of physical laws and conditions. This is the concept behind the multiverse theory, a mind-bending idea that suggests our universe is just one among an infinite number of parallel universes. While this theory may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, it has gained significant attention within the scientific community. According to the multiverse theory, these parallel universes exist beyond what we can observe or measure. They may have different dimensions, alternate versions of ourselves, or even completely different laws of physics. The idea of a multiverse arises from the notion that our universe is not unique but rather part of a vast cosmic landscape. The Big Bounce, universes colliding and rebounding. One intriguing possibility within the multiverse theory is the concept of the Big Bounce. This suggests that our universe undergoes cycles of expansion and contraction, much like a cosmic heartbeat. As our universe expands, it eventually reaches its maximum size, only to collapse in on itself and bounce back into a new cycle of expansion. Instead of a singular Big Bang birth, the Big Bounce proposes that our universe is just one of many iterations in an ongoing cosmic dance. It suggests that the end of our universe may not be a definitive termination but rather a transition into a new cycle of existence. Implications for cosmic evolution. If the multiverse theory holds true and our universe is just one of many, it raises fascinating questions about cosmic evolution. Could some parallel universes be more advanced than ours? Are there universes where life has evolved into unimaginable forms? The multiverse theory opens up a realm of possibilities for the future of existence. Understanding the multiverse can provide insights into the nature of our own universe and its origins. While there is much more to discover and explore, contemplating the existence of parallel universes ignites our curiosity and encourages us to ponder the mysteries of the cosmos. The Great Filter, exploring potential existential threats. What is the Great Filter? Imagine a cosmic obstacle course that all civilizations must navigate to survive and thrive. This is the concept behind the Great Filter, a hypothesis that suggests there might be common barriers preventing civilizations from progressing to a certain level of development. If this filter exists, it could explain the apparent absence of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations in the universe. The Great Filter acts as a sieve, sifting out civilizations that are unable to overcome the challenges it presents. It raises the daunting question: have we already passed the filter, or does it still lie ahead of us? Possible candidates for the Great Filter. Various potential candidates have been proposed as the Great Filter. Some suggest that the development of intelligent life itself is a rare occurrence, while others point to cosmic catastrophes like asteroid impacts or gamma-ray bursts. Climate change, nuclear warfare, and the rise of artificial intelligence are also among the list of potential threats. Identifying the Great Filter is crucial, as it can offer profound insights into our own future and the destiny of intelligent life in the universe. The implications for humanity. Contemplating the Great Filter forces us to confront the fragility of our own existence. Are we destined to overcome these challenges and flourish as a species, or are we facing an insurmountable hurdle that could lead to our extinction? By understanding and potentially avoiding the threats that lie ahead, we have the opportunity to shape a future where humanity can thrive and navigate the cosmic obstacle course. The simulation hypothesis. What if it's all a simulation? Are we living in a computer simulation? Imagine if everything you perceive, every experience and sensation, is nothing more than the product of an advanced computer program. This is the premise of the simulation hypothesis, which suggests that our reality is simulated by an extremely powerful and technologically advanced civilization. According to this idea, our universe is akin to a video game, with consciousness as the player interacting within the simulated environment. While this theory may sound like a far-fetched concept straight out of the Matrix, it has gained attention among philosophers and scientists alike. Arguments for and against the simulation hypothesis. Proponents of the simulation hypothesis argue that it could explain certain anomalies and mathematical patterns present in our universe. They suggest that advanced civilizations might create simulations to study the evolution of life or explore what-if scenarios. However, skeptics highlight that proving or disproving the simulation hypothesis is challenging due to the inherent limitations of our observations. While the simulation hypothesis invites philosophical musings and speculation, its implications for our existence are far-reaching and thought-provoking. Existential implications of a simulated universe. If our reality is indeed a simulation, it raises profound questions about the nature of our existence and our place within the universe. Does our consciousness have any inherent meaning? Are we just mere pawns in a grand cosmic game? The implications of living in a simulated universe challenge our understanding of reality, consciousness, and the purpose of our existence. While we may never definitively answer the question of whether we live in a simulation, contemplating this hypothesis encourages us to explore the boundaries of our current knowledge and expand our understanding of what it means to be alive. The ultimate fate, speculations on the final destiny of our universe. Unanswered questions in cosmology. From the moment of the Big Bang to the present day, our universe has been evolving, expanding, and transforming. However, the ultimate fate of our universe remains one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology. Will it keep expanding indefinitely or eventually collapse in on itself? Cosmologists continue to grapple with unanswered questions about the nature of dark matter, dark energy, and the overall structure of the universe. By studying the movements of galaxies, cosmic microwave background radiation, and other celestial phenomena, scientists aim to unravel the cosmic enigma that surrounds us. Contemplating the nature of time and existence. Speculations on the final destiny of our universe give rise to profound philosophical questions about time and existence. Will time continue indefinitely, or will it cease to exist? Is there a purpose or meaning to our existence in the vast cosmic tapestry? As we navigate the uncharted realms of cosmology, we are confronted with the limits of our understanding and the mysteries that lie beyond. Contemplating the fate of our universe invites us to reflect on our place in the cosmos and the transient nature of all things. Scientific and philosophical reflections on the end of the universe. Scientifically and philosophically, the end of the universe prompts us to reflect on the impermanence and ephemerality of all that exists. It challenges us to find meaning and purpose in the face of an eventual cosmic demise. While we may not have all the answers, the journey of unraveling the mysteries of our universe pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and stokes the flames of curiosity within us. Whether in exploring the various possibilities for the end of our universe, we are confronted with profound questions about the nature of existence, time, and our place in the cosmos. While the ultimate fate of our universe remains uncertain, contemplating these scenarios allows us to appreciate the wonder and fragility of our existence. Whether it's the big freeze, the big crunch, the big rip, or any other scenario, one thing is certain: our universe, like everything else, is subject to change. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our universe's end, we gain a deeper understanding of our own fleeting existence within the vastness of space and time. In conclusion, the question of how our universe will ultimately meet its end remains a tantalizing mystery. While we have explored various theories and possibilities, the truth may still elude us. Nevertheless, the importance of scientific exploration and continued research cannot be overstated. By pushing the boundaries of our understanding, we inch closer to unraveling the secrets of the universe's fate. As we contemplate the vastness of existence and the eventual cessation of cosmic activity, we are reminded of the profound philosophical questions that arise. The study of our universe's end not only sheds light on the physical processes at play but also invites us to ponder our place in the grand tapestry of space and time. Let us embrace the wonder and curiosity that drive us to explore, for in our search for answers, we deepen our understanding of the universe and ourselves.